Hi, let's provide the solution to this very quickly. 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x equals 40. Okay, we can add these two so that we'll have 2 multiplied by 4 to the power of x. Just like saying 2 in 4 places. This is equal to 40, right? Okay, before I continue, if you're new to my channel, subscribe so you can get more of my video. Now, because we are multiplying these two, to remove this from here, you can only do that by dividing, and what you do on one side, you have to do on the other side. 4 to the power of x is left on the left, and it's equal to 20. And 20 cannot be written in index form, so we have it cannot be written in this form. So we have 4 to the power of x equals 20 is 4 times 5. And then from here, we are to take the log of both sides. So log 4 to the power of x will be equal to the log of 4 times 5. Now, log 4, okay, right is better. Log 4 to the power of x is equal to the log of 4 plus the log of 5, because we are multiplying. So if you are multiplying, you add the powers. Then another step is that the power here will go behind, because if you have log a to the power of b, it is the same thing as b log a. So in this case now, x will come behind to give us x log 4, and it's equal to log 4 plus log 5. So we divide this by log 4 now, and then we divide this by the log of 4. We also divide this by log 4, and then this will go into that to give us x to be equal to log 4 over log 4 is 1 plus log 5 divided by log 4. And then there's what we call change of base, right? Change of base. Okay, so imagine that you have anything like log a divided by log b. Provided they have the same base, you can change the base and get something like this: log a to base b. Okay, so b becomes the base to the a. So if I apply the same thing here, we'll have x to be equal to 1 plus half log 5 to the base of 4. So from here we have the value of x, and if you want to have this in decimal form, what do? You press your calculator and get your value. But then let's verify to be sure that what we have is correct. Let's go. Okay, let's verify. Verification stage. The equation again is 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x equals 40. Okay, I need you to stay back so that you can learn from this stage as well. Remember the equation, the value of x is 1 plus log 5 to base 4. So in place of x, I'm going to put this value. So we have 4 to the power of 1 plus log 5 to base 4 then plus 4 again to the power of 1 plus log 5 to base 4. And if this does not give us 40, then we will not be correct. Then another point to note is this. Imagine you have p to the power of q plus r. This can be written as p to the power of q multiplied by p to the power of r. So if this is the case, we can express this in this form, so that we will now have 4 to the power of 1 multiplied by 4 to the power of log 5 to base 4. Remember, we are supposed to have this in two places. Plus 4 again to the power of 1 multiply by the same 4 to the power of log 5 to base 4. Okay, and then there's another point you have to note. Know that if there is anything like this, a to the power of log b to base a. Okay, if you have anything like this, this will be equal to b, because the same base here is the base that is here. So b becomes what you have. And then we can see that this, the whole of this, and this are the same. So from there now, we just have 4 to the power of 1, which is 4. Then multiply it by, here we have this and this to go, just like we have said. And this will give us 5. Then plus 4 to the power of 1 is 4, like we said. Multiply by this, we'll go with this again, and we have 5. Okay, so 4 times 5 will give 20, plus 4 times 5 again will give another 20. And when you add these two, you're going to have 40. In case you have forgotten, the equation is 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x equals 40. So this means that the value of x, which is equal to 1 plus log 5 to base 4, satisfies this very equation. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to my channel, do well to subscribe and then share this to your friends or to the students around you. Thank you for watching.